Let's learn self-introduction and some vocabulary in French. Self-introduction in French is called as Présentez-vous. So the different learning methods to remember French words are: practice writing the French words by copying them in your notebooks. Repeat after me when I say different French words. Try to speak with your parents and friends in French. Before we go to self-introduction, let's learn personal pronouns in French. Pronom personnel. Firstly, all the elements in the first column is singular, and in the second column it's plural. Je means I. Je. Nous means we. Nous. Tu and vous means you. Tu is generally used to address only one person and is also used when you wanted to refer to someone friendly or in unofficial manner. And vous is used where you wanted to give respect basically for the people whom you don't know and people who are older than you. Il means he. It refers to one boy. And ils means they, which refers to a group of boys. Similarly, elle means she, which refers to one girl, and elles means they, which refers to a group of girls. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, ils, elles. So keeping this table in mind, let's learn how to say what is your name in French. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Or comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment tu t'appelles is saying informally to someone, is asking their name informally to someone, and comment vous appelez-vous is asking their name formally with respect to someone. And you can reply like Je m'appelle and your name. Je m'appelle, which means my name is or I am called. To ask how are you, it's comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Formally, and comment ça va? Comment ça va? Informally. You can reply them like ça va bien, ça va bien, which means I'm good or I'm fine. Or très bien, which means very well or very good. To ask someone how old are you in French, it's quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? You can reply them as j'ai 10 ans. Or how much old are you? It's j'ai 10 ans. The meaning is I am 10 years. We will be learning how to say numbers in French in the next video. To ask where do you live, it's où habites-tu? Où habites-tu? You can reply them as je habite à and your place. Where do you live? It's I live in dash. Now let's learn some general vocabulary. Oui means yes. No means no. S'il vous plaît means please. Dhe-acor. Dhe-acor means okay. Pardon means sorry. Rien means nothing. Monsieur, Madame, Mademoiselle means Mr., Mrs. and Miss. Écrivez votre nom means write your name. Écrivez votre nom. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Au revoir. In the next video, let's learn numbers in French. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, like and share it with your friends, and also follow Credulos Kudos in Instagram to improve your vocabulary skills and to excel in French. Thank you for watching.